It's hard to believe that modern slavery still exists in the United Kingdom, with approximately 150,000 people affected, and that many survivors still face barriers when trying to access coaching, skills development, and opportunities to rebuild their lives. That's why I created the Unbound program, a holistic coaching-led approach designed to support survivors in rebuilding confidence, developing practical skills, and creating sustainable pathways towards independence, meaningful work, and a future where they can truly thrive.